We're in Edgewater on a drainage job. Guys got started on yesterday. Hey, Nort. How are you? Benito. How are you, sir? Good? What's up, Wilder? You got a lot of work done yesterday. You got some seed with you?
Huh?
You got grass seed? Touch this up. Yeah, we need to seed all that. I'd seed right in here, Wilder, and maybe put some straw down here. Well, to put it in the bucket down. We need to rinse all these windows off. This is a big mess. This doesn't look very nice. Let's get all this washed. Yeah, all this needs to be washed off. See all of it?
Yeah.
Get all this clean. Get hosed. You don't have enough hose to get over here? You don't have enough hose to clean all this off? This is all a mess. This should have been cleaned off yesterday. Can't leave a job looking like that. Good thing is though, now all that water, what causes all that, to be gone now. But we need to run another hose down here to them. You want to just run up the bones now and get it while we're here?
Okay.
Get them a bale of straw, bag of seed, and a hose.
Yeah.
Wilder, we'll run up to the supply house. We'll get you a bag of seed, a bale of straw, and we'll get you another hose. We'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Back at this job in Edgewater. Benito! How you doing, sir? Good? Good? Ready for the weekend?
Yeah.
We picked you up a couple bales of, a couple bags of mulch. So after you wash that later, you can just put a little bit of mulch in it. You already done? I've got your hose, 3 bags, grass seed, some straw. Okay. That way you can seed that there, a little bit of straw, a little bit of mulch.
In the grass, I'm past maybe my rake.
Yeah, get all the leaves up.
When almost going up.
Yeah, when you leave, all that shit at the very end, all your cleaning at the very end. But that way you can take a hose or a broom and get that off the foundation or rake it and then mulch it there. It'll look nice.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we're gonna head to another job site. We'll catch you guys in a little bit. We're at Chesapeake Beach. Down here at Chesapeake Beach. On a drainage job. I'm gonna check up on the boys. See what's going on here. What's going on, Mr. Bird?
I don't know. What's going on?
What's going on, Mr. Donnie?
Right here. You cleaned it out with my truck.
Cleaning out your truck?
Yeah.
I got you. Truck will get ready to get in the body shop, get some work done to it, and get it wrapped up and get it ready for spring.
Okay.
How you making out?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
I got some new TLC hats coming. Knit hats like that.
Yeah.
The new Sammy on the front and on the back.
Yeah.
Little love goes a long way. White with green on it to look nice.
Nice. Yeah.
Just saw Norty.
Oh yeah.
Just passed
Oh,
him.
that's yeah. Going to buy the lunch.
Go get lunch.
Yes.
How y'all making out?
Good.
You get your pump in?
Yes.
So you got the water coming down?
No. Yes. Inside the rocks.
Oh, you went inside. Okay. What did you guys do here?
All the extra dirt. Yes.
Okay. That's why you're seeding it?
Yes.
You got some straw? Seed and straw?
I don't have any straw.
No straw?
No.
You should put some straw here. Let's see how many doesn't want it. Does someone want straw?
I don't know.
Is there any place down here where we can have Norty pick up a bale?
Okay. Can you tell me?
Probably somewhere down here. There's a hardware store.
I don't know.
Okay.
I rarely come down this way. So we have the French drain coming across this way.
Okay, that's where I couldn't see where the French
and
was.
The
Okay.
backside and across.
Okay.
And then the discharge is running here. Came out what? Right here, pretty much. Donnie with the discharge. Yeah. Coming out right here. Right here. Come on, right here.
Cool.
To the street. Yes.
You already ran it to the street?
Yes.
It looks good.
Yes.
I can see it there now. Yep.
Come on.
I would get you. Should put a bale of straw down there though. Unless the homeowner doesn't want any straw, I'd get a bale, you know.
Discharge. Pull out.
Okay.
Yeah, that drain in that person's driveway, plus where that car's parked. There's where the galvanized pipe is that they park on top of. Do that.
Where is the galvanized?
Where that Lexus is parked. The big 2-foot drain.
Okay. So the water's coming down through here and going down that way. Okay. Whose property is this here?
I don't know. I think this is,
Common area?
yeah, kind of.
Okay. Because it looks like it's a passway through. Okay. So you guys are in pretty good shape. Sounds good, Donnie. You guys are on top of it. The only thing that bugs me is just that raw soil there with, you know, cold weather. And make sure you had plenty of seed on that and some straw, you know?
Yep.
But let's look that up real quick. We'll Google it and find a local place. Get you in the town Nordy. Pick up some straw, okay? Put a bale down there real quick.
Yep.
That'll look good. All right, we're gonna find that, then we'll catch you up here at your truck.
This up here too.
Oh, that's right, you did.
2 downspouts.
That's right, you did.
Well, that's why Drew had it running.
Same breath you said, as soon as you said that, you started talking. I said, yeah, I see that drain. I was going to ask you about that other piece. That'll help a lot of water too.
Well, that was the other thing on Drew's part where it didn't make sense to, you're going to take these 2 downspouts and run them this way.
Yeah.
But you want to pump up the hill.
Yep.
And discharge pretty much where Edwin or the big man's parked.
Gotcha.
But then it would just run down this curve and either spill back into his property on the steps here or run down here anyways. So why wouldn't we just discharge it in this street anyways?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, this looks good, Donnie. A lot of work. So Donnie, you want to get this truck cleaned up and rewrap it, or you want a brand new truck this year? You don't care? Donnie says it's a work truck, dude. I don't care.
We don't care. We need to change this crack.
Windshield?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take that over economy this week, okay? Monday, Tuesday, we'll do that. Probably put the windshield in. We'll get your bumpers painted, your wheels done, any tune-up work on it, and get it wrapped with the new wrap on it, new logo. It's looking good.
Okay. Yeah, it's the one that is rocked right there in the middle.
Yep.
It's cracked all the way.
Yeah. No, we need to get it in there. So many rocks on the road during the winter months. It's crazy, isn't it? Donnie, I'll see you Monday. Have a good weekend, Don. Alrighty, we're gonna head back up the road. We go to the office for a minute, and then we're heading to Pasadena after that.
Yep.
Alrighty. All right, guys, come on. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.